Hi, I'm Iggy with Lincoln Electric, and right now I want to show you some of the accessories that are available on the brand new 2024 4000 series CNC plasma cutting tables. First accessory we're going to look at is the roller caster wheels. These also have a leveling pad, and it makes it so the table can move around once on the ground. Next, we've got the accessories shelf, which you can mount almost anywhere on the table, so that way you can always have somewhere to put whatever's in your hands. We also have the accessory can holder, so you can set down that water bottle or spray bottle. Next is the grinding disc holder for all of your 4.5-inch grinder discs. And you can mount right next to that your angle grinder holder for that angle grinder. Keeping your flex cut off the ground is also very helpful, so we've given you a flex cut shelf. We also have 20-piece pegboard hooks to hang any accessory that you need. The last accessory I want to show you is our bottle opener. This will mount directly to the front of your table. We'll also make available all of the mounting patterns so you can make your own accessories. This makes the 2024 4000 series model completely customizable to fit your needs. You can go to torchmatestore.com to purchase any of these accessories.